Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool telephone. This is a gas pump telephone, and it has the logo Gulf on it. And basically this was sent in from another telephone repair company, and that's not uncommon. We get telephones in all the time from other repair companies, and basically they send them to us for repair. And so this is the initial checkout of this telephone. I'm going to kind of give you a little look at it. It's still in the plastic bag that they sent it in, and they've got a little note here. It just says only rings. So basically I'm going to set the video down, and I'm going to go ahead and try to get this open here and give you a kind of a look at it. We'll take the plastic off of it. And so it's a pretty cool telephone. On the bottom you can see their keypad, and this would be their hook switch. And so it's really cool. This is the first initial checkout of this telephone, and I'm going to go ahead and undo the line cord on it, and we'll go ahead and plug it in. But this gives you a little better look at this pretty cool telephone. It's a Gulf gas pump telephone, and we're just doing the initial checkout of it. But it says it only rings, so we'll go ahead and plug it in, and we'll give it a little test here. Doesn't really sound like a ring. It sounds more like a chirp, which is basically a piezo buzzer. Let's see if we can answer the telephone. Basically, the telephone answers. Well, for a second, there's something not right about it. It answers for a second, and then it hangs back up. Let it go one more time. And it just kind of picked up and then hung back up. I'm going to go ahead and try to take this apart. This is the initial checkout. Kind of give you a look at this telephone while I'm taking it apart. And right off the bat, it just looks like there might be one screw in it, but I'm assuming there's a lot more going on here than one screw. But we'll try to get it apart real quick. Might have to do another video. Things kind of going crazy there. And we got to figure out how to take this apart now. I think probably up underneath this dial we're going to find some more screws, but I'm not even sure if it's really made to take apart. Sometimes this stuff is built and then you can't hardly get it apart again. But let's see if we can't peel this off here. I'll probably find a couple screws under here. And I'm not sure that we can get up underneath here. And wouldn't you know it, they put another screw right up underneath this sticker, right where you would have to go if you wanted to take the phone apart. So we're going to have to try to get this sticker off real quick. try to work it off. Without ruining it. It might take some doing, because we have a screw right here that has to come out. I'm not sure we're going to be able to get this sticker off without ruining it. We might have to go in this way. And just kind of hope for the best. I'm wondering if we won't find one up here. And I'm thinking there might be one at the very top. And there is. See if we can't get that sticker off. Sometimes you just can't hardly get some of this stuff apart. But I know there's another screw there. Just try to work it off here real slow. And give you a look at the inside of this telephone here. And that's what the telephone looks like now that we're into it. We're going to have to go ahead and troubleshoot this telephone. It seems to have some issues. It wants to pick the line up and seize the line, but then it lets go of it. So we're going to have to troubleshoot the telephone and kind of go from there. But this gives you a little bit of a look at what the inside looks like. It's a really cool telephone. It's a shame that they put stickers right over where the screws go to hold it on. But it's a Gulf gas pump telephone, and we'll try to hook it up one more time while we have it apart and see what we got. But it's doing some weird stuff. it seizes the line for a second and then it lets go of it. Looks like it's trying to dial numbers. And it dials out in pulse. So if I hang the phone up, it automatically dials a 5. If you can see that. Kind of get out the light out of the way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hang it up. That time it didn't. There it goes, dialing a 5. There it goes. And it just dialed a 5 again. So we have a Gulf gas pump telephone on an initial checkout that basically really just wants to dial a 5 and then it's pretty happy. So we'll have to go through this telephone and troubleshoot it and see what we find. It's obviously got a major malfunction going on, and I'm going to lift it up one more time, see if it dials a 5 again. There it goes, just dialed the 5 again. And another 5. So it's lucky 5s, and it's a cool telephone, and hopefully we can get this telephone straightened out so that this company can get this telephone back to their customer. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.